Elements Mall wraps up a glamorous Elements model hunt to 0 to 5 - a runway of dreams comes to life. Bengaluru, 4th May 2025. Elements Mall brought the city's fashion spotlight to its atrium. With the grand culmination of the Elements Mall Model Hunt 2025, a first-of-its-kind campaign that celebrated individuality, style, and fresh talent. With a packed crowd, celebrity judges, and electrifying runway moments, the event cemented itself as a future staple in Bengaluru's fashion calendar. Designed to empower aspiring models, Elements Model Hunt 2025 was more than a contest. It was a platform for discovery, transformation, and community celebration. From online registrations to the final, the campaign featured multiple high-energy phases including auditions, grooming sessions, and professional styling. Winners. Male. Winner, Najal Muhammad. First runner-up, Mihiran. Second runner-up, Bhuvan Raj. Third runner-up, Vaishak. Female. Winner, Kiana. First runner-up, Vaijayanti. Second runner-up, Sonia. Third runner-up, Charitra. Event highlights. Over 400 plus registrations were received, with auditions held from April 25th to 27th. Finalists participated in an intensive grooming and mentorship week from 29th April to 3rd May. The grand finale on 4th May, directed by Riz Fashion, was a show-stopping event, showcasing top finalists styled by premier fashion brands. The judging panel featured prominent personalities including Ms. Joshna Naidu, Mr. Shreyas Suri, and Mr. MC Bizju. Fashion styling was powered by leading brands Soch, Pantaloons, Intune, and Style Union. The contest culminated in the selection of one winner and 3 runners-up each in both male and female categories, recognizing emerging talent in diverse forms. Spa came on board as the official gift partner and Myop as the fragrance partner, delighting contestants with exclusive hampers. The campaign was supported by Glamour Street with ADF as the official agency partner, Red FM as the radio partner, and Refuel as the hospitality partner. Mr. Uday Naresh, Center Head, Elements Mall, said, "Model Hunt 2025 is our tribute to Bengaluru's vibrant youth culture. This platform is about unlocking potential, celebrating confidence, and bringing the fashion community together. The success of this debut edition motivates us to grow this into an iconic annual tradition." The campaign was amplified with radio buzz, digital content, influencer engagement, and on-ground promotions, turning Elements Mall into a hub of style, energy, and entertainment. With the resounding success of its debut, Elements Mall Model Hunt is now set to become an annual property with an even bigger, bolder second edition already in the works for 2026. For behind-the-scenes content, winner announcements, and future updates, follow at Elements Mall Blur on Instagram and Facebook.
All is entertainment and all of those things. We like to thank all our co-sponsors like Spar, Intunes, Pantaloons, Style Union, etc. And this Elements Model Hunt is the first time we are running this. So it is going to be the property ever after from now on. So it's going to be a big thing in future also. I like to thank the media also for joining us this program. Okay, for the full coverage. If you have any questions to ask, you could ask. Sir, we had 353 applicants coming in, and last 3 days we did auditions. The finalists is 24. We will be walking the ramp today. There are chances of cinemas, and we are also taking them as a permanent model for the Elements Mall. So whatever we are doing, advertisements or the influencer activity or the whatever with respect to the social media, we'll be taking them as the models for the Elements Mall.
So is the first year you are doing this?
Yeah, this is the first area and first year, and this is going to be a property for the future editions also.
So upcoming years you are doing more and more?
Yes. So we restricted, basically the applicants were more. Since we could not manage and this is the first time, we did it only, we restricted for 350 numbers. So future it will be more than this.
Cash prizes.
Sir, who will be the celebrity for
MC? MCBG will be the celebrities.
Any cash prizes here, sir?
We have a lot of prizes which I could not reveal it now. There's our ampers and a gift prizes which is exclusive and which will be good enough.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Had around 400 registration. We done audition in the last 1 week, and we have done the rooming session and a lot of training sessions and all. Now the final 24 people is going to be participate in the finale, and there will be a one winner for each category. They are going to be pace of mall like in complete next 1 year. This is the complete concept of the campaign, and anything else want to?
ಸರ್ ಇದು ಮೊದಲನೇ ವರ್ಷ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ
Yeah, this is the first year what we are doing it, and also we are going to create this property, and every year we are going to continue the same for this.
Only ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅವರ ಮನಸ್ಸು
No, in Kannada ಒಂದು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, and there will be some celebrity MC Biju, ಶ್ರೇಯಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಲೈಕ್ ಜೋಸನ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಜೂರಿ for this evening, and this is the first edition what we are going
So
to
in
do.
coming days, have you thought of doing a big number?
Yeah, definitely, sir. This is the first edition, as I said. Like we'll have a bigger plan for next sessions and all. Like we'll do a bigger version of
So how is the response as per your?
As of now, we got a very good response. As I said, like we got around 400 registration. We stopped it actually since this is the first edition. We have to try it, like how it will going to work out. That's the reason we stopped the 400 registration. We got around 50 to 60% conversions happened for the during the audition. In that we selected 24 models.
All the best for upcoming years.
Thank you so much.